Hi, I'm Akanksha. In this video, I'm talking about one of my current favorite moisturizers. So if you're interested to know, then please keep on watching. So I recently got my hands on this Earth Rhythm moisturizer. I have been using this for like 3 weeks now, I guess. The first time I used it, रात को मैंने use की थी इसे, and I felt that it's a crap product because it was my mistake completely क्योंकि मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा amount में इसे ले लिया था. When I applied on my face, I was not able to work it out, like literally, and I was like ये कैसा गंदा सा product खरीद लिया मैंने. My face really felt very greasy type of, so I was like, no, this is such a bad product, and it was a very wrong decision to invest in this. But the next time when I used, I felt like चलो आज थोड़ा कम quantity लेके देखते हैं. Trust me, it was amazing. I just took 2 pumps of this moisturizer. It worked really well on my face and बिल्कुल अच्छे से absorb हो गई skin में. बिल्कुल भी ऐसा नहीं लग रहा था कि कुछ बहुत ही greasy, heavy सा कुछ लगाया हुआ है. And very quickly and very nicely it got absorbed in my skin, and also it left my skin very smooth, very supple, and also my skin felt very plump. तो जब मैं next morning उठी, then I really felt a difference. My skin felt so baby soft. Now let me tell you about the hero ingredients of this moisturizer, which really made me gravitate towards it and actually make the purchase. It has 3% vitamin C, which is a superb antioxidant, as we guys know. Protects your skin from the damaging free radicals which is caused by the UV exposure, and also it inhibits the production of melanin, hence reducing the pigmentation, scars or dark spots. It also has vitamin E, which is again a very powerful antioxidant, and it can also help you to reduce the free radical damage. And also it nourishes your skin and makes your skin soft, supple, and soothes your skin or soothes any inflammation if it's going on your skin. It also contains sodium hyaluronate, which is a humectant, so it helps to attract moisture from the atmosphere to your skin. Lastly, it has an ingredient called Matrixyl 3000. I don't know if you guys have heard of this, but Minimalist की भी एक serum आती है जिसमें the multi-peptide serum, if I'm not wrong, उसमें भी this ingredient is there. If you guys do not know what peptides are, these are basically fragments of protein, and peptides are formed when amino acids are bound together. So Matrixyl 3000 is a synthetic polypeptide. It has the ability to stimulate collagen and elastin production, hence it gives an anti-aging benefit. Matrixyl is basically like the baby version of retinol. Now studies have also shown that Matrixyl has reduced wrinkles and fine lines noticeably within like 2 months of usage. However, I do feel that it is more relevant in terms of a concentrated serum क्योंकि इस moisturizer में it's just 1% of Matrixyl, which I think won't be that effective. But yes, अगर आप इसे religiously use करोगे, then you will definitely see good results. तो अगर आप इसके ingredient list देखोगे ना, आपको 2 ingredients मिलेंगे, which are palmitoyl tripeptide 1 and palmitoyl tetrapeptide 7. So these 2 ingredients together make up the Matrixyl 3000. This is an all-rounder moisturizer because it has all the 3 essentials here, which are humectants, emollients, and occlusives. So humectants basically attract the moisture and provide it to your skin. Emollients give your skin that smooth and soft effect, and occlusives prevent the loss of water from the skin. So to sum it up, this moisturizer gives you anti-aging benefits. It helps in cell regeneration, and also it locks in the moisture. Earth Rhythm also claims that this is a non-comedogenic moisturizer, which means it does not clog your pores, which is a really good thing, and it is suitable for people with acne prone and oily skin types. However, if you have oily skin, then do make sure कि आप tiniest amount ले इसकी, otherwise it might end up looking very greasy and heavy. Okay, you get 50 grams of product and it retails for 749 rupees. You can apply this both in the morning and at night. And अगर आप इसे दिन में use कर रहे हो, then do make sure to top it up with a good sunscreen. So what else? I think that's all about this video. I hope you guys found this helpful. And if you also have the budget to spend 700 rupees on a moisturizer, do give this a try. It is a really good all-rounder anti-aging moisturizer, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna see good results with this because I personally have seen that. I'll see you with another video. Until then, it's me, Akanksha, signing off. Bye.